A young student stands before a courtroom, demanding justice for her people. In another part of the world, a worker fights for equal pay. And somewhere else, a journalist is jailed for speaking the truth, simply exercising his liberty. 3 stories, 3 struggles. But they all revolve around the same eternal ideals: justice, equality, and liberty. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have fought for these principles in revolutions, constitutions, and movements that continue to shape our world today. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where complex ideas meet simple explanations, and every lecture takes you one step closer to mastering political science. In today's episode, Justice, Equality, and Liberty, we'll uncover the philosophical roots and modern meanings of the values that define democracy, inspire revolutions, and guide every constitution on earth. Understanding the 3 pillars. 1. Justice, the foundation of fairness. Justice means giving everyone their due. It's about fairness, moral rightness, and balance in society. From Plato's idea of harmony in the state to John Rawls's justice as fairness, every philosopher has tried to answer one timeless question: what is the right thing to do? Justice demands that wealth, power, and opportunities are distributed fairly, that the strong do not exploit the weak, and that every citizen is treated with dignity under the law. 2. Equality, the quest for balance. Equality doesn't mean we're all the same. It means we're treated the same where it matters most. It's the belief that no one is born to rule and no one is born to serve. Political equality ensures one person, one vote. Social equality means no discrimination based on race, gender, or class. Economic equality strives to reduce the gap between rich and poor. From the French Revolution's cry of equality to modern movements for gender and racial justice, equality remains at the heart of every democratic dream. 3. Liberty, the spirit of freedom. Liberty is the right to think, speak, and live freely, as long as we do not harm others. It's the beating heart of human dignity. Philosopher John Stuart Mill described liberty as the protection of individual freedom against tyranny, whether by kings or by majorities. Liberty empowers people to challenge authority, express opinions, and live authentically. But liberty is not absolute. It must coexist with justice and equality. Too much liberty without justice leads to chaos. Too much equality without liberty leads to oppression. The beauty lies in balance. Conclusion: the eternal triangle of political life. Justice, equality, and liberty are not just political theories. They are the moral compass of every society. They remind us that a truly just world is one where people are free yet equal, empowered yet accountable. In every protest, constitution, and debate, these 3 ideals continue to shape our shared human story. This was Lecture 8, Justice, Equality, and Liberty, part of the Learning Studio's Political Science series. In our next lecture, we'll explore the invisible forces behind every government, power, and authority, and how they control, influence, and sometimes inspire societies. Until then, remember, true democracy is not just about elections. It's about justice, equality, and liberty working together. If you found this lecture insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more animated lessons every week. You can watch the full political science playlist. Link is available below in the video description. See you in the next class, only on the Learning Studio.